I'm making some coffee today, and so the things you'll need is a cup. I would have a better cup for this, but they're too fragile. So you can have marshmallows and sprinkles. My sister added the sprinkle part, but these, I added that part. Coffee, honey, sticky honey, chocolate sauce. I mean, you can do it without chocolate sauce, but I haven't made mine yet with chocolate sauce yet, but I made it without because we got the chocolate sauce yesterday. And then cocoa powder. Okay, so the first step, oh wait, I need to get my spoon. Also need like a tiny spoon. Actually, it doesn't really matter the size, but this is a spoon I'm using today. So I'm going to take my cocoa powder and I'm just gonna do, I guess, a spoon, like 1.5 spoonfuls, like that. And so that's the first thing you gotta do. So there's the cocoa powder in there. And next, you can put the honey in the spoon, but it's way easier just to squirt it. My mistake, my first time I made it, my mistake was to put it in the spoon, and then when it comes out of the spoon, so I just pour in like a tiny bit, like that. Sticky. Next ingredient is the coffee. Oh wait, no, ice. I'm gonna go get the ice. Okay, I got my ice. I'm just gonna put it in with into the glass. I'm gonna put away this at the end of the video, I guess. Okay, so the next thing is to add in the chocolate sauce. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna like drip it around the edges. So oops. Pretty good. Like that. It gives a nice decoration. Okay, so the next step is to add in the coffee. You don't need too much. Oh wait, you need another ingredient. You need milk. I'll go get that right now. So I got my milk, and you're just gonna pour it in like that. And maybe I'm gonna add a bit more coffee into this. Oops, I spilled it. Whatever. And now I'm gonna put my milk away. And then now you add in the marshmallows. My marshmallows are all stuck together, so they're really sticky. And that's the only thing I don't like about my marshmallows, is that they're so sticky. Okay, so, and then there's sprinkles. I'm only adding sprinkles because if I don't, my sister will not be happy. Okay, so this is the thing. I'm gonna just stir in the sprinkles and marshmallows real quick. But yeah, this is this. And now we're gonna get a straw and we'll see what Daddy thinks of it. Daddy, come over. It's time for him to taste test it.
It's very good.